Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Have you ever had a white screen of death on your iPhone after updating iOS or restoring from a backup, or other similar situations? Usually, in this case, your device has a frozen screen, doesn't respond when you touch it, or becomes stuck when you turn it on. So in today's video, I'll show you guys some effective ways to solve this issue. Let's get started. Method 1. Force restart iPhone. If you use iPhone 6 and older models, press and hold the power button, as well as the home button together, until the Apple logo appears on the screen. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press and hold the power button and the volume down button until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 8 and later, press and then quickly release the volume up button, and do the same with the volume down button. Now press the side button until the Apple logo appears and the device restarts. Usually the above solutions are able to solve your problem. Like me, my iPhone screen has returned to normal. Method 2. Restore iPhone with iTunes. Connect your iPhone to your PC and launch latest iTunes. Here you need put your iPhone into the recovery mode. There will be a pop-up window shows on. It will show that your iPhone is required to be updated or restored. Click Restore. But you need to pay attention that with iTunes your data is at risk of loss, so you better have a backup of your data before. Then click Restore Update. Next, agree the terms. Then iTunes will begin to download the firmware that is needed. Once the download is completed, it will start to restore your iPhone. Method 3. Repair iPhone with ReiBoot. If you tried all the methods above and still can't solve your problem, you can use third-party tools. ReiBoot is an iOS system repair tool. It will not lead to data loss on your phone, which fixes more than 150 plus iOS system issues. You can check the download link in the description and download it. Once finished installed, connect your iPhone to PC. Open ReiBoot. First, you need put your device into recovery mode again. You can use ReiBoot's one-click entry option. See, you have successfully entered recovery mode. Then go back to ReiBoot. Click the green Start button. Choose Standard Repair. Here ReiBoot will download the firmware that matches your iPhone. Just click it. The download process will not be long, depending on your network condition. Be patient. Once done, click on the Start Standard Repair. ReiBoot will start to repair your iPhone. You need to wait for a little while. Please be patient, and do not disconnect your iPhone during the process. Then it is done. You can see your iPhone is back to the normal state again. I can access it without any problem, and all my data is still there. It's very easy. Okay, here is today's tutorial. Hope you like it. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you succeed in one of the methods. If you like this video, you can subscribe us. Stay tuned for our next videos.